So good morning, all of you. I hope you all are fine and taking the protective measures to protect yourself in this corona pandemic situation. So, children, last time we studied few programs, right? So here the recursive function of this one also we have done. We have completed question number 8 or not, Shikhar?
So, so we had done delete also, so dub delete also.
Doubly delete, duplicate delete also we have done, right? Okay, then this inheritance is left.
Yes, sir.
I think this inheritance, okay, right. Okay, so just let me open this IDE. It is not opening. Yes, just wait for 1 minute, children. It will take 1 minute to initialize. So, children, in inheritance question, you need not to write the base class specification, and
Sir,
it is assumed by the examiner that you have already done.
Arun sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, wait a minute, एक second. Sir, many of them have written the base class that is not required. On that, you people are not getting marks. You are supposed to write the derived class only. On that only, you are going to be marked. So if you have done, the base class, whether it is correct or wrong doesn't matter. But in that, you are wasting your time. So it's better to write the derived class and focus on that. That must be correct, right, sir?
Yes. Actually, children, I think if you're writing the base class at least 4 or 5 minutes, 4 minutes at least, you are wasting there, na? So if you could just save your 4 minutes and then these 4 minutes further you can utilize during the revision of the paper.
Yes.
So here now, this inheritance question I'm just going to do. So now here I will start from the base only, no issues. But base is not written and not required. So the base class shows that you have one string and data, you need to input a sentence here and void print method to display that. Okay, so let us begin with the base. But in the exam, you need not to write base. So here what to do is, this is data.java file, and here you need to just one method is needed, which is this str, and here you need static scanner. So declare the static scanner here only, and it is also assumed that you have taken a static scanner. So while if you input there or any other input is required in the main method, you can specify just a static scanner is there, so I'm using that. No issues. Except str. This is the function, I think. Except str. Yes, this is the function. So here I have to read the sentence. So just read that. So enter sentence, and that is str is ss dot next line, and plus one space, all why this is needed, and here the constructor is needed, which is the default constructor, and here it is blank. Now there is one more is which is void print is needed. So here you need to print the sentence which you have entered. That is what you have done. And now what to do is, here you need to define this derived class, which is process. So class process and one instance variable is there. So I'm just going to make a derived class, and here it is process. Now see children, here that base class is in the same package, so we can easily access extends data I am writing, and here one instance variable. So your marking will start from this point. Len variable you have taken, process, and here that len is equals to str dot length. this was needed here. So children, so you have done this len part, and now this process constructor to initialize str to the base class. Okay. Now children, you all have missed that. One thing is there, it is written constructor to initialize. Nobody pointed that mistake. There is an error. And what is that error? If constructor is passing a value, here constructor should receive a value. But nobody of you still pointed that. Shikhar Maheshwari, why? Shikhar?
So I used it in a different way, so I guess that
See,
maybe we can
that
just
if
skip
you
that.
are passing this, you need to write here, and I have considered that no issues, but you have to be very careful. So here, if it
So
is the
I
case,
did.
it it
So I
it
think I did that. I initialized it,
uh,
the str with
uh,
null, and then re-initialized it.
see that it is needed then. So the process is required like this, and then you have got that. And after that, what is needed for the rest of the part? Void print lengthwise. This is the part. Void print lengthwise. This is the function. Now you have to write this. Now, anybody who want to tell me the logic how to do this? Ria, Ria, but please tell. Bhavya is there? No. Anybody? Iman, how to do this question? Iman, how to do this? But please tell me simply the logic. Okay. How to do that is, children, here I have, one method is that extract all the words and store these words in one array and then sort the array, right? But I am not going to do that way. Here I have taken a status variable t, and now I am just going to print it lengthwise. How to do that? You start a loop from 1 and it will go till the flag variable is 0 and I plus plus. Now inside that I have made this flag variable 1, and here with this loop I'm just going to extract the words one by one. So that is str.length, and that is j plus plus. Char ch is str dot caret of I, caret of j, and if ch is not equals to space, then t is equals to t plus ch. This is what I am doing. Else part, here I have to just compare if t dot length matches with IE, then here I just want to print this t. T dot length matches with I double equals to is needed. And now one of the important condition which I need to write, if if t dot length is more than any of the word, make f0. So this is what the code is needed. If anybody is having any doubt, then please tell. This code is very short code. You need not to write or create one array. You need not to fill the array, and you need not to implement bubble sorting method.
Children, this is the easiest method
And
which you can in a very short way.
or one more thing is, you can start a loop from 1, and this I loop will go from till str dot length, but that code is not efficient, so I have not considered that. This code is efficient. It will just check the words till it is needed. Okay, anybody, if you want me to explain it, I will explain, or if you people have understood, then tell. Anyway, I would like to just tell you what is the logic of f. Children, here I have taken this flag variable is equals to 1, 0 initially, and I is 1. I is 1 means that with the help of which this loop, when I am extracting the words, I am just checking all the words whose length is 1. So I'm just checking that, I'm printing that all the length, all the words whose length is 1, and definitely we will receive few more words whose length is more than 1. So what will happen? F will become 0. And this outer loop will continue only till f is 0. So what will happen? After searching all the words with length 1, I will get further incremented, and the condition is also true. F will become 1. Now we are searching all the words whose length is 2. So we will print in between all the words whose length is 2. But in case if we are receiving some words whose length is more than 2, this f will become 0 again. After that, control comes here, I becomes 3. The condition is still true, and then we will start searching all the words whose length is 3. So further, suppose the largest word in the sentence is having the length 5 only. So what will happen after printing all the words whose length is 5? No such word will be there whose length is more than 5. So f will not become 0, and here we have already made f is equals to 1. So what will happen when I become 6? This condition is not true. The loop will terminate. It means all the words of the sentence we have covered, because the largest word in the sentence was having only length 5. So children, this is what the code of this derived class. And in the main method, what we need to do in the main method, we need to input the sentence, that is enter enter sentence, and that is str is ss dot next line, and this is the name of the class, which is process. So declare the object of this process, pass this sentence, and obj dot print you have to write. This is obj dot print lengthwise, and one more is uh, in this data part. In this data part, we need not to write this except str, because the data we are passing from this constructor. So while we are passing the data from here, if you could just add this space during the call, no issues, it will work. And in the main, there is no print method. Okay, so while you are processing, you can just use this super dot print here. And in the main method, what we need to write, we just call this print lengthwise. Just execute this. So here, suppose I have entered, so it is not what is happened. F is 0, I is 1, F is 1, I is 0, this one. Char ch t dot length is I. Okay, yes. Here one thing is left, that is make t blank, otherwise nothing will get printed. So this is what the output children, this one is my India country. So all the words have got printed lengthwise. So any problem children with this code, please tell.
But you can ask your doubts, bacho.
I am posting this solution also on GCR. So the base class you need not to write, always remember, and you need to write only the derived class. In case children you are not confirmed with your logic which you have written, you may ask any one of the teacher, any three of us. But you people are not taking the initiative. You have to take the initiative. So please. Okay, so now next question. The next question is, A stack is a linear data structure which enables to add and delete elements from the stack. I think I need not to explain this. Everybody knows. You need to just write this insert and delete function. So rest of the things I hope you people can do or not. Please tell. Nobody is responding, sir.
Yes, sir, we can do it on our own.
Sanjeevani, Sanjeevani, Somesh Rai, Sonam Sati,
Sanskati,
Yes, sir.
you want
Vinayak.
to ask something? Ria, Sonam.
Okay, see,
Yes.
I'm just writing the insert and delete function of that. So just focus in the same question I'm just writing. Void insert, and this is the element, this one. Children, here what was the function? The function is void insert int le. It will go to the stack. Stack is arr. So here, if what? If the pointer is first. If first reaches limit -1, here you have to write system.out.println, that is full, and here immediately return else arr plus plus first will receive the element. This is the insert function, children. This is the insert function you need to write. And one more function is there, that is actually a delete function. So here int delete, and this will basically, if first is -1, then return first, else return arr first minus minus. These three lines are needed. Children, I have not written else because if this condition is false, then it will directly consider this statement within the else part. No need. I hope, children, you all have understood. Any question? Please ask. Please ask if you have any question.
No questions, sir.
Okay, now move to the next question. That is this. So children, most of you have done the prefix pre-order and post-order correctly. What is the height of the tree? The height of the tree is the highest level, and list the external nodes of the left subtree. So external nodes of the left subtree is D, M, or A. You have to consider these nodes only because this node, and this node. You have to consider these nodes only. And because this part is the left subtree, this one. If you consider this one, excluding the H, this part is the left subtree. So these are the nodes. Few of you have written 3 and 4 or whatever, but you need to list only. Now state the degree of node 2. In this question, children are having problem. The degree means the number of children. So here the node K is having only these two children, which is M and A. So the degree of this node K is 2. The degree of this node is 2. So I hope, children, you people have understood. So this is all about this question. Now come to this part, which is question number 4. All of you, please solve this question number 4 again. The min terms are 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 13. Rastogi sir, I think that let them solve this.
Yes, sir.
Please solve this.
Everybody, please solve yourself.
Please note it. I'm just posting these values in chat box. In the chat box, I have posted these values, so please solve. And here, till then, I need to search that file. Wait. Yes, children, please hurry up.
So done.
Yes, wait. Rest of you, please try that. Rest of you, please try that. Hurry up. Uh, yes, anybody else who has done? Beta, please tell. Class 11th, class 12th, sorry. Shashank Kumar. Sanvi, Neha,
Sir, I got the same answer.
yes, Prerna, Lakhmani. Okay, children, just focus on the screen. You can see that I have filled the values. Remember that you cannot change the order of the literals A, B towards the left side, representing this vertical column, and horizontal axis you have to represent with these two constants C and D. So when I have filled this, I just think that there are three groups which you can make. The first group, this is, the second group, this is, and the third group, which is this one. So in this K-map, only three groups are there. Three quads are in fact there. So quad number one, which is quad one, which is A complement B complement, which is A complement B complement. Quad two, which is C complement D, and quad 3, which is A complement and D. This is what the answer. So if you club all these reduced terms, you will get the final SOP expression. So children, this is all about this question. And just it was very simple question, and few of you have not got the answer right, and this is very unfortunate. Now the second question, this pi part. In this pi part, what to do is come to here. This is the pi part. So you need to fill the values again like that only, but this time you have to fill 0. So here it is 0 at 1, 0 at 0 and 0 at 1 and 0 at 2 and 3. Okay, then 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 7 and 10, 7 and 10. So these are few children have not even the filled midterms, max terms properly. Even when few terms were not there, they filled that also. So children, these are the terms you have to fill like that. So if you have any doubt, then please ask. Here also three quads are there. So first of all, you have to search the most isolated term, which is this one. So you have to just make this as a quad. And now the picture becomes more clear. So next quad is this one. And the next quad is this one. And since you have covered all the ones, all the zeros, so no need to move further or pick any other group. So here there are three quads again, and that is quad 1, which is A plus B, quad 2, which is C complement plus D, and quad 3, which is B complement plus D complement. This is the answer. If the literals are named differently, then you can consider like that way also. Here it is different, like PQRS. So in place of AB, you have to write PQ, and in case of CD, you have to write RS. Rest of the things are exactly same. And if you multiply all these reduced terms which you have got, you will get the POS expression. So in case if you have still any confusion, then please tell. Yes, children, please ask. Rastogi sir, are you there? Okay, children, any other query, any other question if you want to discuss? Because I think I have covered the rest of the question. And in the next question, you need to practice a lot because most of you have done correctly, but still you need to practice such questions. And simplification you need to practice. It is in physics subject also, I think, some questions. You need to practice output based questions properly. You need to practice prefix, especially prefix and postfix, and still you are not comfortable with this address calculation. Address calculation you have to just go through properly. And in the class 11th Boolean algebra part, you people have to just go through. Yes, anybody, if you want to know your marks, I will tell you. If anybody want to know his or her marks, please tell. Vasu Sumit said,
Yes, sir.
"Beta, want to know your marks?" No.
Yes, sir.
Just wait. Vasu Sumit said, "Beta, roll number."
34.
Yes, Vasu Sumit said you have got 67 out of 100. And out of 70, you have got only 47. Adya Shankar has scored 100. Aditya Prakash, this time you have not done well. 56 you have got. Somesh Rai, you have got 90 this time. 63 out of 90. Adya Gupta, you have also scored 90. Siddharth Chauhan, you have scored 86 out of 100. Divsprik Tripathi, you have got 45 out of 70 and 64 out of 100. Divsprik, yes. Tejas Verma is there. Tejas, no. Sanvi, you know your marks.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Harsh Singh is there. Harsh. Anybody who want to know, please tell.
Sir, tell mine.
But what's your name?
Arad.
Aradhya Khanna. Your marks are beta 63 and your total score is 90.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So can you tell mine?
Shikhar Maheshwari. Your marks are 68 out of 70 and you have scored 97.
So can I
The roll
also
number
have
14.
mistakes, sir?
I will tell you later. Adi Gupta,
The roll number 14.
Devesh Gupta or Adi Gupta.
Sir,
Adi. Roll number.
Adi Gupta.
Your marks are 39 out of 70, total 56. Devesh is here,
Sir,
no.
please continue.
Divyansh Verma. Divyansh Verma, your marks are 53 out of 70, total 76 out of 100. Shreya Agrawal is there? No. Those who are not regular, they will get penalized in their project marks. I will follow the attendance properly and I will see the sequence. And if you are regularly absent, then definitely your marks will be deducted in project marks. Okay, children, so just wait for 2 minutes. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. Otherwise, I am just going to post your Google form link so that you can mark your attendance there. Yes. Anybody, any question? Thank you.